Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through the different ways that SEO Assist can help you get topic ideas. And so most of them are in one place, but then I got one little secret one that I use all the time. Absolutely love it. And so I'm going to show you all the ways that if you're not sure what to write about, you're not sure what to do, that SEO Assist can help you with that. So first I'm going to go into where most of our topic areas are, really all of our. First, I'm going to go into where all of our topic content flows are. And then, like I said, I'm going to show you one other one that isn't technically a topic one, but it works. So first, we're going to go from our dashboard into write a new blog post. Under write a new blog post, you'll see there are 4 steps, and each steps give you multiple things to choose from. So multiple topic ideas, blog post ideas, few add-ons, and different ways to repurpose. So literally you can do all your work right here in this panel, but since we're just talking about topic ideas today, I'm going to go back to here. And you'll see that we have 5 different topic idea content flows, and content flows are pretty much the features that we have. So each feature is called a content flow, and it's the Q&A piece that helps you get to the end of your ideal content. So we've got 5 of them here. One for generated topics. So this is just really general topics. This is one of our AI flows that uses AI to bring in general topics about whatever you're specifically putting the information. We've got one here with blog topics and titles specifically for product-based businesses. So if you're a product-based business and you're wondering what are some things I should write about my actual items, then this is a good flow for you. This third one is a good one and good time of year, because I'm doing this video in the beginning of the year to do this, but really you can do it any time of year. But the beginning of the year is when you want to do those trending topics. A lot of times people are looking for the best of this year. What are the things we need for this year? You know, depending on what's going on. Like I just did one and it gave me a lot of information about mobile first, mobile friendly, because that's one of the things that's really big right now. So it's going to give you your trending topics really around what people are looking for in that current year. And sometimes they're repetitive. Like people every year they're looking for what are the top things to do for this year. So while the answer may be different, the topic is generally the same, but that's the ones that people are searching for. So we want to make sure you get into that search. The last one, which we got a separate video on this, is how to plan your quarterly content. So this is one specifically created that you should do at the beginning of the quarter to plan out your next 12 weeks of content all in one clip. And then we have blog titles based on your niche. So similar to the product-based businesses, this one's specifically for those, especially if you're a niche site business or you know, just talking about a very, very specific niche, you can use this one. So I'm going to show you within the quarterly content planning, because it's one of my faves, but all of the flows are very, very similar, where they ask you a few questions and then from that they give you an answer. So the quarterly content planning one is, who is your audience? And then what do you want to tell or sell this quarter? And I say it that way because sometimes what you're telling is not necessarily what you're selling. So it's not necessarily your product, but it's the thing you want people to start thinking about, thing you want them to start doing. You want to, what is your objective for your content for this particular quarter? All right. And then what is your goal that will help the audience achieve is create and plan better blog content. And so submit. And you'll see here pretty quickly, it gave us 5 topic ideas. And so it's quarterly, and the ideas that you do one every week. So technically you need 12, but you'll give you a little more so you can have some to choose from. So this is one of our topic flows, and they all work pretty similar, different results based on which one you select and the information you give it. I also want to show one of, like I said, one of the things that's not technically our topic generator, but it's something that I've been using because I like to answer questions. And so going into interview questions, we have a whole video about that. I will make sure that is in the notes, but we have a whole video about using the interview question flow, but that's another little secret way to get topic ideas. So 5 with a bonus to make it 6 ways that you can get topic ideas here in SEO Assist.